introduce a fascinating concept for personal and professional empowerment. Please welcome Leslie, who will be presenting on Empower Your Future, Building Your AI Powerful Digital Twin. I am waiting for this impressive talk. You're welcome, Leslie. Please share your screen.
Welcome. Hello, everybody. I'm so happy to be here. Let's see, window. Share my screen. Okay. Can you see my screen?
Not now.
Not yet. Okay, hold on. Okay, share. All right. All right. Can you see my screen now?
Perfect.
All right. So the new power move, ladies, is digital AI twins. Okay. Before I begin, I'm Leslie Murdock. I'm the founder and CEO of Designing Digital, an AI consulting firm. I believe that what you make happen for a woman, you make happen for yourself. And I'm just so honored to be among you guys today. We'll be flipping the script on what leadership looks like. I'm here to show you how AI, specifically your own AI-powered digital twin, can give you time, clarity, and your power back. This isn't about tech for tech's sake. It's about real tools to help women lead smarter, live bigger, and redefine what's possible for ourselves and our careers. Everybody ready to go? All right. So Anna, you'll keep a track on the chat. I'd like for this to be interactive. So please, if you have questions or you need me to slow down, or if you need anything, just let me know or let Anna know in the chat and I'll adapt accordingly. Now, I'm going to quickly go over what we're going to talk about. Imagine a version of you. What is a digital twin? Why should you care? And we'll look at real women already using this to lead better. And then we'll give you 3 simple steps to start building yours today. There's also an interactive piece and a personal challenge at the end. So this will be practical, not just theoretical. First, I'm going to tell you, these are some of the issues that I'm going to talk about. Now, I'm getting ready to dive into the presentation. Some of the images are very powerful because I want women to see themselves as powerful. I love to mix the beauty of art and powerful imagery with technology. So imagine a version of you. Let's start with what if you could do if there was another you working quietly in the background, organizing, thinking ahead, handling your task that you don't have time for. That's what an AI twin could be. It's not science fiction. It's here. It's a leadership move. Now, what is a digital twin? So think of it like this. It's an AI-powered partner built around you that can handle repetitive work, give strategic advice, learn how you think. It becomes a living system that works alongside you to help you make better decisions and focus on what really matters to you. Does everybody get that so far? Okay. Now, why should you care? Okay. Now, because let's be real, as women leaders, entrepreneurs, change makers, we are doing it all. But doing it all can come at a cost. AI twins can affect what can offload what drains you, help you think through tough choices, and let you lead with confidence instead of exhaustion. You shouldn't have to choose between success and sanity. Now, I'm going to give you some examples. Now, look at this list. What of these could you identify? I'm the overwhelmed executive. I'm an entrepreneur. I have way too many ideas. I am a change maker, like many of you, in a male dominated industry. I'm not a working mom yet, but I have plants. I'm a plant mom. I don't know if someone in the audience is a mom, but we're doing it all. And I was also a caregiver, trying to hold it all together. And I wish I had 10 of me. How many have said that before? So I'm going to go into some examples. Now, let me share with you what this is like for women right now, because I know sometimes AI can feel like it's only for techies or people of Silicon Valley. But these are real women in real leadership roles, using AI to take control of their time and their careers. First, there's a woman I know who's a VP of operations. She should spend hours a day buried in emails. How many can relate to that? She told me she would dread opening her inbox every morning. Now, she has an AI twin that scans and summarizes her emails, drafts responses to her to approve, and puts out key points from long threads. What used to take her 3 hours a day now takes 30 minutes. Can you imagine that? And here's the magic. She's using the extra time to focus on mentoring her team and driving strategy, not just reacting to messages all day. Isn't that amazing? Then there's an entrepreneur who runs a growing marketing agency. That's me. She was at one point where she had more clients than she could handle. Not there yet, but working on it. But wasn't ready to hire a full-time team yet. I'm turning to AI. My twin crafts content, schedules time, and even writes the first version of her clients' reports. Now she only has staying afloat. Not only is she staying afloat, but she's scaling. And because AI is handling the repetitive stuff, she can focus on building relationships and closing high value deals. All right. Another story that really stuck with me. There's a strategy consultant who used to spend days sifting through reports and data to advise clients. Now her AI twin scans documents, pulls out trends, and even suggests ways to frame solutions. She told me she feels like she has a secret weapon because she's known for bringing faster, sharper insights to her clients, beating her competition in speed and quality. Okay. And let me give you a nonprofit example, because I know many women in this room wear multiple hats. One nonprofit leader I met was burning out trying to write grant proposals and create impact reports while running her programs. Her AI twin now drafts those documents for her. She just reviews and personalizes them. And guess what? She's ended up raising 40% more in funding last year because she had more time to connect with donors and tell her story. Finally, for the women in leadership spaces like us, there's a woman I know in engineering leadership, navigating a male-dominated boardroom. She uses her AI twin to practice tough conversations, like asking for raises, giving hard feedback, or pushing back in meetings. She told me she negotiates with more confidence now, and she even secured a raise she probably wouldn't have pushed before without preparation. So when I say AI twins can change the game, I mean it. These women didn't wait to be an AI expert. They started small and then let their AI twin grow with them. And today they're leading more powerfully because they've learned how not to do it all alone. So my question to you is, if AI could take something off of your plate tomorrow, what would that be? Does anybody want to chime in on that in the chat? Anna, does anybody have any questions or comments so far? Okay, I'll keep going. So your digital twin wish list. So what do you think about? Now, I want to hear from you. What's the one thing you wish your AI twin could take off your plate? For me, it's my emails, scheduling my calendar. When I go to networking events, it's really important to follow up with who you met with and send them a nice email and schedule an appointment. That's a big one for me. And also I use it to reason and to practice my tough conversations. So I want to hear from you. 2 minutes with someone near you, or drop in the chat if you're virtual, and I'll give you a few minutes if any chime in. Anna, does anyone have anything to say? Any feedback in the chat? Come on, guys. Ladies. Am I going too fast? Do I need to slow down? Continue? Okay, continue. So what does that look like, your digital twin? What would it take to build one? So then that takes me to tools. Here's the magic. It doesn't have to be complicated. Identify where you need the help. Give your AI twin one job to start with. Set boundaries because AI works for you, not the other way around. And then this is how you start small and build with confidence. Now, there are tons and tons of AI tools on the market. Millions are being, literally dozens are being introduced every single day. And so I wouldn't say try to master all of the tools. Start with one and become comfortable with it, because you're going to have to train your AI twin on how to think. And it adapts and learns very quickly, but you need to be very comfortable with the tool that you like. And I try to pick a lot of the Google tools as well as ChatGPT. I love Notion AI. I love all of these tools in some form or fashion, but there are many others. Now, this is more than just productivity. It's about redefining what leadership looks like. With an AI twin, you can protect your time, make bold decisions, and say yes to opportunities without burning out. This is leadership redefined on your terms. And so when you have this digital twin, this AI agent, you'll probably hear that too. They're called also AI agents that can take up the time to respond to emails, to draft and sift through millions of reports, to practice hard conversations. This will give you more time to do the strategy work, to create, to innovate. And that's what I love about this new AI frontier that we're on right now. Okay, and so what would you do with the extra 5 hours a week? Here's the heart of it. What would you do with 5 extra hours? You could literally start your dream project. Maybe you could rest, grow a business. Write it down, because that's where your AI twin can give you your life back. I just love the idea of being able to innovate and to create and not being bogged down by the administrative process or side of things. So I just want to say thank you. Redefine possible. I love that title, Redefine Possible. AI isn't just the future, it's your partner. Start small, start today, and build the future where you win on your terms. So I want to kind of bring it all together. We started by imagining a version of you that doesn't get tired, your AI twin. We talked about what a digital twin is, not just for tech, but a leadership tool that helps you focus on what matters. We dug into why this is urgent for women, because doing it all isn't sustainable. You can't be everywhere, do everything for everybody. And so these tools help augment the gaps. You heard real stories of women who are using AI to write emails, prep for negotiations, draft reports, and lead smarter and not harder. Then I gave you 3 simple steps to start today. Find out one thing an AI can take off your plate. And remember, you don't have to do it all alone anymore. AI is here to help, but also still let you be the CEO, because you are the CEO of your own life. So as you leave, I want you to ask, what's one thing that I'll hand off to AI this week? Because that's how we start redefining possible. So I created a document that can help you begin this process. It's something just really short. but it will give you some step-by-step instructions. Plus, you'll have this uh, presentation as a leave behind that will show you all the different tools that you could utilize to help you design and create your own digital twin. And with that, I want to say thank you. It's been a real pleasure. Oh, let me go back and see if people need more time to take a copy of the QR code to get the leave behind document.
I'm success. Thank you.
Okay. And then I just want to say thank you for allowing me to come and speak. I'm going to end the show.